has decided that he wants to come out of a rubbish pan to show that he is looking for him a hide and a pray quick. So some actors will just go the extra mile. This is one of those actors.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Original.
Nobody must get catch. Get them dead, you know.
Yeah, but this man cock him 10, like PJ.
Bossy man, he's reaching up.
A bossy bad man.
He's reaching out, man.
Bossy bad man.
Yeah, that's what I imagine.
Man,
Yeah,
I
man,
that
man,
name
see.
Saka.
Yeah, man. With honey, goat weed. Honey.
Look at him like
Goat weed. That is proper English. Honey.
That the one, the kind of naturalness to the one your name brother. Boss it.
How much more you can get now?
What we call it? Naruto. What?
Naruto run.
Naruto run. At the back. Alright, watch it. You're gonna add it to the repertoire. Brother.
I see that. Come, maybe down here.
Naruto forward.
Come, Mr. Naruto, sir. This is not Japan.
Hear me, sir. You see, you as a youth of blacks, forget about the bag juice thing and sugar and water that. As a youth with blacks, you feel just aware. You just feel... Cut.
You got two talking. Yo! Bloopers!
One for numbers.
Yo!
My side.
Have him my side. Have him, got you.
somewhat like how when you disappear.
Rolling. Action.
A simple thing that chin, man. You don't think no, man. No, give it up.
Stop moving, brother. I stay one place.
You don't have to talk and move, Alright.
Alright, here we go. Focus, guys. Rolling. Action.
Simple thing that chin.
Rolling. And action.
Good enough. They don't the man are gonna fix things, you see me?
You try to put music over it.
my love, if she like him, and King like her, and King have an next woman in him life, and him want your mother, you can't stop that. The people them is big people.
Well, me I gonna make sure me sit down and talk to her. Cause if him have a woman, me no want she get involved.
Better. Action.
Really? Come like you work for buy a box. You work for going down cafe.
But I don't like she.
So how much out of the 2 million? Them collect already.
What do you know?
You have mad man enough.
Climb man. No, no, for people who want to see if they can climb. She's not for me. What's your sir? Tell her?
Hey, Wagwan members, big up on yourself. We are here at Caldato's in Yuatan, and it's 7:23. We're about to start the scene with Carlton, Camille, Nicey, Trevor. So, see? 7:24 now. And we are going right now, and you know Wagwan at the end of it. Big up on yourself, yeah?